happen to visit Thailand's famous tourist spots like the Maeklong Railway Market and the floating markets in Amphawa and Damnoen Saduak, make sure to include on your day tour Wat Sam Phran, also known as the Dragon Temple. It's one of the most unique temples we've been to, and it's famous for its huge cylindrical tower with a massive dragon coiling around it. Its unique architecture is definitely something to look forward to. There are also other statues installed within the vicinity that will make you appreciate further your culture and religion. This spot is 40 kilometers west of Bangkok, outside the city, so make sure to plan ahead if you want to make the most of your day's itinerary. For reviews on places, events, food, and rest, like and share this video and hit subscribe.